Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to change date and time on iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. For changing date and time on your iPhone, you need to go settings. When you tap on settings, a new interface you can see on your screen just like this. Here there is a option of general, just tap on it. When you tap on the general option, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of date and time, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see the time format. If you want to do your time in 24 hours format, just simply switch on the button, and if you want to set automatically by the network, just switch off this just switch on this button. Okay, and if you type manually, if you want to type manually time, just tap here and here, date and time. Okay, for time just tap here, and for date just tap here, and you can set manually. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.